How to change currency in Etihad Airways. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change currency in Etihad Airways. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for etihad.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Etihad Airways, so go ahead and make sure that you are logged in. If not, then go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your email address and your password, and log yourself in. Once logged in, on the top toolbar you will see various tabs. You can tap on the Manage option to manage your booking, manage your check-ins and other activities such as upgrade, extra baggage, choose your seat, traveling with pets, etc. You can also tap on Experience and make changes in your plan, like on board, before you fly, or for sustainability. You will also see other tabs such as Destinations, Help, Etihad Guest, each responsible for providing a better experience to their customer. So to change your currency in Etihad Airways, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the View Profile option. Now simply navigate to the Account tab and then tap on the My Information option you see there, and further go ahead and select your preferred currency, and this is how you can change your currency in Etihad Airways. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.